Hello students, here I'm again with a new topic for class 9. This is session 17 of the word processor and the name of the chapter is mail merge. Some of you might have heard about this topic already in the previous classes. This mail merge is actually a facility that helps us to create letters, the emails or envelopes or the mailing labels whenever there is a situation where the same letter has to be sent to many recipients at the same time. Here what generally happens is we have got a letter. Let's take an example, an invitation letter of any function. The invitation, the main body of the letter will be same, and that has to be sent to many people at the same time. So if there is a situation like this option called as mail merge is going to help you, and this is one of the features that is used in several different offices quite often, and this option helps the office assistant, and that becomes a huge relief for them as well. So today I am going to teach you how to create mail merge or how to perform the mail merge in our document. So before going to that, we need to understand the different components of a mail merge. Now, different components of a mail merge is, number one, we have got the data source. In due course of time I'll show you how to create the data source as well, but you need to understand the data source is actually the list of people or name of the people along with their addresses. So whenever we are sending a letter, basically we are going to send it to a particular person and their addresses. And number two, we have got the main document, and that main document is the document or the letter that we are going to send it to many people. And thirdly, we have got the merge document. Merge document is the combination of the main document and your data source. So when the data source, that the address is combined with the main document, we have got the merged document. So that's it, and now I'll be showing you how to create this mail merge, or how to perform this mail merge in our Microsoft Word. So for that, I just need to create a main document. So main document will be created like this. For example, dear, and here after dear we are going to insert the name of that person later on. So I'm just writing the main document only. So you are, suppose I'm writing cordially invited to attend the marriage reception of my brother at the venue and time mentioned below. Venue, Mayfair Resorts, date 23rd September 2020, time 5 p.m. onwards. Let's say with regards, I'm writing my name. That's it. So this is the main document. Now this is the document I'm going to send it to many of my friends. Okay, so for that, the second step which I am going to follow is you have to go to the mailings tab, and in the mailings tab I have to click on the start mail merge. Go to start mail merge, and you can go to letters, or you can go to step-by-step mail merge wizard. Basically there are several ways to do it, and I'm going to teach you the easiest way. So step-by-step mail merge wizard, and as soon as you do that, you will get this option. You'll get this option. Altogether there are 6 steps, and in the 6 steps we are going to complete the mail merge. Okay, you just have to read the option and you have to click on the next. So I have already made the main document, and first question is asking what type of document are you working on. I'm working on letters. I'm working on letters or email or envelope or labels or the directory. So this is basically letters, so I'll click on letters. It's already selected. Now click on starting document. This is the letter. So next question in step number 2 is asking how do you want to set up your letters. How do you want to set up your letters? So this is the letter, that is the current document, and this is the option, start from a template or start from the existing document. So I will be selecting the current document. Click on the current document and go to the third one. Now in the third one, to whom you are sending, you are going to send this particular letter or the invitation. So for that I have to create a list of the recipients. I don't have the list of recipients, so use an existing list. That is not applicable to me. Select from Outlook contact, that is also not applicable. And third one is type a new list. Type a new list, that means I need to create the list of people to whom I will be sending this particular letter. So type a new list, type the names and the address of the recipients. So create. When I go for create, that time I need to write the name of the people to whom I want to send. Let's say I want to send to Mr. K.S. Rao, first name and last name. Company name, I don't have a company name. Let's say company name is Holy Cross School, 6th Mile, Pado. Address line 2. See, now there are some fields which are basically not required. So what I can do, I can customize the columns, and I can remove all the fields which are basically not required. Email, I don't want, delete. Okay. Home phone, not required. Home phone, not required. Country or region, not required. Zip code, not required. State, let's say required. City, not required. And address line 2, not required. That's it. Or company name is also not required. Delete. Okay, now what happens is these are the only fields that I have. So Mr. K.S. Rao, 6th Mile, Tadung, Sikkim. Okay. Then after that, if I want, I can insert another one also. Mrs. Deepa Rani Basnet, Rumtek, Sikkim. Mr. Arun Gupta, Darjeeling, West Bengal. Now let's say I have got these 3 addresses. I want to send the letter to 3 addresses. If it works for 3, obviously it's going to work for 30 or 300 or 3000 also. So let me see, these are the 3 different addresses to whom I am going to send the invitation. After that I have to click on OK. As soon as I click on OK, it will ask me to save that address list. So I can save the address list. Let's say address, save, and it will show me what are the different options we have, what are the different addresses we have. These are the addresses. This will all be jumbled, no need to worry. Click on OK. Now this list is ready. So this is the list. Now write a letter. If you had not written the letter, you can write the letter. Now what I have to do is I have to insert the fields here. Like say to the first address was Mr. K.S. Rao. So I want Mr. K.S. Rao's name to appear here. In the next line, the address what I have written, Holy Cross School, Tado, 6 miles, something like that. Next, and Sikkim, Gandok, like that. And here also, if I'm writing a letter to Mr. K.S. Rao, so here Mr. Rao. Suppose I'm writing a letter to Mr. Arun Gupta, dear Mr. Gupta, something like that should come. So this you have to write like this here. To select recipient, insert merge field. Insert merge field. I have to write to title. See, first title will come. Give a space. First name space. Last name. Then comma. Go to next line. Address line 1, comma. Next line. State this one. And here, how do you want? Dear title, dear Mr. and last. So this is the way it should come. And suppose you want to insert any kind of greeting line, like I can insert the greeting line also. So like this. Okay, greeting line. So our letter is basically ready. Then after that, review your letters. Okay, so I've already put the dear and all, so this is not necessary, so leave it. Review a letter. Have a look. To Mr. K.S. Rao, 6 Mile Tadung, Sikkim. Dear Mr. Rao, if I want to see the next recipient, I can go from here, or I can go from the recipient number 2 also. To Mrs. Diparani Basnet, Rumtek, Sikkim. Dear Mrs. Basnet. And third one was Arun Gupta, so it will show dear Mr. Arun Gupta, Darjeeling, West Bengal. Dear Mr. Gupta. So now my letter is perfectly okay. Now what I have to do is I have to complete the merge. Now when I complete the merge, when I go to the last step, it will say print. So if you want to print the document, all the document, 3 pages, I can print from here, or I can merge to the new document. So when I go for merging to the new document, I have to go for this. How many records you want to merge? We had 3 records, so I'll click on all and I'll click on OK. So after that, what happens is I'll get this new document. As you can see, this was my previous document and this is my new document. So in the new document, page number 1 will have the letter to Mr. K.S. Rao, and if I go to page number 2, this is for Diparani Basnet, and if I go to page number 3, this will be to Arun Gupta. So this is how your mail merge is done, and there are so many ways to do it. As I've already told you, you can do this mail merge using any of the method, whichever you find it easy. And there are some exercises also that we need to do after this particular document, after this exercise. So I want you to do that exercise as well. So that's it for now, and hope you found this quite helpful. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.